Guys, good day. Number series muna tayo ngayon. Okay. So, the number series is 2, 9, 28, 65, and 126. Okay. So, we will find first the difference. So, this is a series, not a pattern. Okay. Pwede naman siyang pattern pero I call this a series. Okay. Because there is medyo malayo yung mga common difference nila, no? So let's solve. So 2 difference niya is 7, 9 and 28 is 19, 28 and 65 is 37, 65 and 126 is 61. Okay. So this is 37, 61. Okay. Common difference ng 7 and 19, 12. So 37, 19 and 37 is okay, 18. Okay, 18. 37 and 61 is 24. Okay. So dito may common difference na siya dito, which is 6, no? So, ang susunod dito, syempre, 6 na, no? 6. So, 24 plus 6 is 30. Okay, so 30 plus 61 plus 30 is 91. Okay, so 126 plus 91. So, 126 plus 91 is 7. 11, okay, 217. Okay, so the answer is letter C. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you on my other videos. Okay, please share para makatulong naman tayo sa iba. Okay, thank you guys. God bless.